Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a hairstyle that's one of my favorites. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. You could pretty much do it on wet or dry hair. Doesn't really matter because we're going to be using a spray bottle anyways. So first I section off my hair into two sections, just putting it up in a bun just to get it out of the way. I go in with one of my leave-in conditioners, which right now is the As I Am Grow Yogurt leave-in conditioner, and I just distribute that all throughout my hair, just making sure it's really moisturized. I part my hair with a comb. Usually my comb is a bit thinner than this, like a regular parting comb, but I didn't have that at the moment. But I suggest you guys use a thinner comb, just so your part is really clean. I basically part my hair kind of into a rectangle. So I start pretty much from where my eyebrows would be, and then vertically a bit after my ear. Then I'm going to part it again and cut that in half so that we have two different sections. I then go in with a gel just to make sure the hairs are really smoothed down and the braid will look really clean. The gel I use is the Ecostyler Gel. You could pretty much use any gel you like though. Then I section a little piece of my hair from the back to start off the cornrow, and just start cornrolling it down towards your face. If you guys want to know how to cornrow, leave a comment below and I'll try my very best to make a video explaining how to do it step by step, which will probably be hard, but I'll try, but I can't promise anything, okay? Now my braids are really long. If you have shorter hair, you could of course use extensions or anything just to make it longer if you want. And then we're gonna wet our hair, comb it through again, apply the gel, and pretty much repeat all those steps. Now it is going to be a little bit tricky just because it is basically upside down or reverse, whatever you want to call it. So it's going to be a little bit weird, but you will get the hang of it. Once we're done that, we're going to go on to the other side, and as you can see, I'm making sure that it's equal on both sides. So that's pretty much how I measure it. We're all done with our reverse cornrows. We're going to start with the rest of the hair and putting it into a bun. So what I do is I first wet my hair because by that time my hair dries up. I apply some Ecostyler Gel all throughout my hair just to slick it down. And then I pretty much just brush it and put it into a ponytail. I love how right here it just looks so smooth. It just makes me feel so calm, and like, I swear it's a stress reliever just watching this. Once it's in a ponytail, I then start twisting the section and wrapping it around the hair tie to create my bun. Now I usually shake out the twist a little bit just to make it more fluffier and full. And then just secure it with a bobby pin. Now it's time to slick down our edges. So again, I use the Ecostyler Gel and a toothbrush and start swooping. Gotta do those swoops, you know? Gotta make it swoopy. Sometimes you wanna make it big swoops if you want, or you can make it small like I am doing now. All depends on what you're feeling for. And there you have it. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. I think it's so cute, so sleek, and just really unique and different. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!